Hi guys, welcome back to the vlogs. So it's been a minute since I spoke to you guys. By a minute, I mean a few weeks. Humphrey and I are just chilling. It is Saturday. I figured I should give you guys a little bit of a life update because if you haven't noticed on Instagram either, I haven't been like storing my life. And I think it's because I've just been trying to figure out what my life is in Austin and how it looks. I've been doing a lot of self-reflection. There's just been a lot going on behind the scenes. Like I went to LA to see some of my childhood best friends and it was honestly one of the best things that I could have done for my soul. Like I didn't wear any makeup. I had my hair up in a bun majority of the time. We just went and hung out. We went to beaches. We ate good food. We laughed so much. I feel like I haven't laughed like that in years and it was just so amazing to catch up with them and have such a good time. And I was so needed after like I feel like the intense move to Austin. It's truly been quite an adjustment period for me because now we've been living in Austin for 4 months. The last 2 days I've actually felt a little bit more comfortable with living here, adjusting to a whole new lifestyle and actually starting to enjoy Austin a little bit. I feel like before that I was just not feeling like myself, and that's why I stopped vlogging. I stopped storing on Instagram because I just didn't know how to process everything and then also relate it to you. And I kind of just did like a deep dive on like the back end of my work. I didn't feel like being in front of the camera very much and that was definitely taking a toll on me. And I'm feeling a lot better now, which is why I'm vlogging. I love vlogging. I feel like it's the best way to communicate with you guys how I spend my days and then also just like be very natural and give you like behind the scenes of my life so you can really get to know me. I think that it's just so crucial to have that connection with you guys and I love vlogging and I also love watching vlogs, so I'm gonna start doing more of that. I hope you guys enjoy it. I actually would really love to know because I'm kind of feeling lost on my YouTube channel as well in the sense of what kind of content you guys want to see from me. So if you could please let me know, do you like watching vlogs with my days, kind of behind the scenes, everyday life, self-care, a little bit of home decor type of videos, or do you want to see more just like fashion styling, like sit down videos that are more formal? I just feel like this is like a much better way to communicate, but I'm gonna leave that up to you. Please let me know in the comments. Like it would truly help me out so much because I obviously want to create content that you guys love to watch. What else has been happening in my life? I've had a lot of my friends come from Houston or like other places of the world just to come visit me. It's so funny. I was telling Rami like when we were in Houston barely anybody came to visit us, and now in the 4 months we've had more guests stay with us than our entire time in the new house in Houston. And it's so funny. Well, the pandemic was also a part of that, but still I think that's what's kind of like helped me get out of my funk because I've had like that comfort from home but then also exploring Austin. So now I'm starting to enjoy it. I'm starting to really like my neighborhood, like walking around and stuff. It's been actually kind of nice and I'm like, okay, you know, I think I can get used to this new way of life because before I feel like it happened so suddenly and I was just like taken out of it so suddenly that I just didn't have enough time to process. I've also been really liking that because I took this time off for myself and kind of disconnected, I was able to self-reflect and then also really understand what truly makes me happy and what my goals need to be from now on. So I hope you guys are ready because I'm taking you on this journey with me. I want to kind of transform my life. I know I've been talking about getting on like a whole new diet and lifestyle regimen for a while now and I think it's high time, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take you guys with me to the grocery store because I want to show you everything that I'm getting and then everything that I'm gonna cook because we've been eating out a lot and we need to stop because it's a lot of money and also it doesn't make me feel good when I eat out constantly. So I'm gonna meal prep at home and yeah, and then also get my house in order. My friend is staying with us. He's been with us for a whole week now and I'm sure you guys feel the same way when you have guests over. Like, you love your guests, but when they leave, I need to deep clean everything. I need to have my house or my apartment looking exactly how I need it to be. So I'm actually kind of looking forward to that. And right now we're gonna go to Taco Deli for brunch and drop him off to the airport. Then we're headed to the grocery store. I need to pick up some hand sanitizer because I've run out of that, and it should be a good time. Humphrey is scratching at the door because he needs to leave desperately, and I've locked him in the room while I'm talking to you guys. So I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys in a little bit. It is much later now and it's the evening. The house is deep cleaned. Believe it or not, I cleaned the house for 3.5 hours, and then I took Humphrey for a walk. Haven't sat down since 1:30 and it is now 7. I am exhausted beyond belief. I actually stopped by Trader Joe's on my way back from the park with Humphrey, and I got like a cacio e pepe frozen thing. I'm like, okay, I just can't. I don't have the energy to cook today. So tomorrow I'm gonna wake up bright and early and cook things with you guys. But right now, I just need to chill. So I took a shower. I feel great. I'm wearing a very comfy pajama set from Victoria's Secret. Still have the laundry going. The laundry never ends. But there's Humphrey. He just had a bath. He's fed, he's walked, he is relaxing. He's probably gonna leave me alone for the rest of the night. And then this is where I'm gonna be the rest of the night. I'm essentially getting cozy over here. I'm gonna be watching some TV, maybe some YouTube, I'm not sure. I'm gonna make my pasta at some point. But yeah, this is what I'm doing on my Saturday and I have no regrets. I'm really looking forward to some alone downtime. This is what I'm doing. I'm catching up on episodes of $1 Million Listing, hanging out. Humphrey's there, laundry's still going, Rami's at work, or working in the other room. But yeah, this is basically my night. See you guys tomorrow. I just wanted to share this bedding with you guys because I don't think I've shown this to you when it came in because I wasn't vlogging. But this is from Brooklinen. I love this bedding, by the way. I thought it wouldn't look good here because I felt like there was too much going on in the bedroom, but I think the stripes look really nice. It's a linen, it's a super relaxed look, and I love that every time you wash it, the sheets just get softer and softer. And what I like about this bedding is that this is like a white on the bottom and then the stripy on the top, so it's kind of like a nice mix to have, and I just love it so much. I feel like it just matches really well with the room aesthetic. Here, I can show you guys. There you go. Humphrey's trying to pose for you guys here too. Humphrey, he's looking super cute, but guess what? When I was making the bed, I saw that he had thrown up on a tiny little patch, so now I have to wash my bedding again when I already did it yesterday. Humphrey, what do you have to say about yourself? He has no regrets. Okay. Meanwhile, Rami's being super sweet and helping me out. Oh, he's very proud about this.
I already cut all the carrots.
Yeah, so we're making soup. So I have carrots, green beans, we have some cabbage. I'm gonna throw some onions in there and I'll show you how I make it. And then Rami's making his famous hummus, but he needs to boil the chickpeas. He makes it just like his mom.
The boiling is just to clean them. It's like a rapid clean. So you boil them for 2 minutes and then you let them sit for about an hour and then you cook them. Actually makes them taste better. Yeah, they actually really taste so good. I love his hummus. He makes it once a week and we eat it pretty much the entire week. It's so good. And we have our laundry going. It is just gonna be a day of errands today. No, I hope not. Hopefully we can get some downtime in like 2 hours. I'm hoping we can knock all of this out and then just chill the rest of the day. What do you think about that, Rami? Sounds like a plan.
Go team!
Go team.
So in here I have cabbage, red onions, carrots, and green beans, and I just poured a can of tomato sauce in here with some water and this vegetable bouillon. It's so good. I really love it. It's vegan too. It's just really tasty and it makes the soup really delicious. And now all I'm gonna do is put it in my Instant Pot for 20 minutes, I believe, and it's gonna be ready, and that's it. It's super easy, and this is a great way to use all the vegetables you have in your fridge. You can eat this as a soup, or if you're a little bit hungrier, you can put some rice in it too, and it just makes it hearty. It's a great thing to have in your fridge, especially if you want to just meal prep and stay on track with healthy eating. Actually, today I think I'm gonna do 30 minutes just to make sure the vegetables are super cooked. I'm gonna do a pressure cook. There you go. That is it, guys. This is the next meal I'm cooking. I just have some organic cauliflower florets. We get the microwavable bag, but I'm just gonna take them out and rinse them because they've been in the fridge for like a week and I really need to cook them before they go bad. So I'm gonna be making buffalo cauliflower wings. I love this because they are already pre-cut, so it's the best thing. Literally just throw them in a bowl. I toss them with just this sauce. I get it from Whole Foods as well, and I don't need to put any other seasoning. It is perfect as is. And then I bake them in the oven for 40 minutes at about 400. I flip them halfway through and they are perfection. And then because I told you I'm trying to do the whole starch solution thing, I'm going to just boil these potatoes in just salted water, and then I mash them, and just to make them a little bit more like the consistency of mashed potatoes, I add almond milk. And honestly, with salt and pepper, I don't need to add any butter and they still taste delicious. And then when I don't want to have like a carb meal, like put rice or anything, I'll just use this because this is like a whole food plant-based diet, and that's all I do. And then let me show you the milk that I've been using these days. It's this one from Whole Foods. I love this. This is actually a Houston brand, I think. Water, almonds, and salt. That is it. So it's super clean as well. While I have some downtime and everything is cooking, I wanted to share this with you guys. I got a new rug for this space and I think it's super cute. It's actually washable. It adds a lot of design to this area, plus it looks super cute with the rest of the home, which you can't see right now. It's really backlit, sorry about that. But I really like this rug. It's super cute. If you're looking for a rug for your kitchen, consider getting this one. I will make sure that I link it for you guys below. I don't think I actually showed you guys my new media cabinet. It came in maybe a month after Memorial Day sales ended, and I know I wasn't vlogging at that point, so I didn't share it with you guys, but this looks so much better. I don't know if you remember the older one, which was like a console, and it didn't look as good as this one does because now all the wiring is hidden behind it, and I feel like this is a much better dimension for this space as well. And I think it looks really good with my decor. You know how it's all white. I think it's going to be a really great transitional piece. If Rami and I move back into another home, we can definitely repurpose this. I think this is just a really great piece and I love it so much. This is from Lulu in Georgia. I'll make sure that I link this for you guys too in case you're looking for a new console. So we just got some frozen rice from Trader Joe's. These things cook in 3 minutes in the microwave. Perfect rice every time. You can choose between white or brown. We're just gonna do white today, and then Rami has the soup going. Oh, this looks so good. Yes. And then we're just gonna pour some rice on it, and that is our lunch. Oh, by the way, the cauliflower is cooked. I'm just letting it cool off. I'm not, obviously, like the black bits are just the parchment paper, but when you lift it up, none of it is burnt. It's perfect. And then I also, sorry Rami, move up, have my mashed potatoes right there. By the way, Tabasco is like perfection with the soup, and I went a little bit more vegetable heavy on mine, less liquid, mixed in with the rice. This is so good. Oh my god, you guys, this looks divine. I actually made a reel for this, as you probably saw me doing in the time lapse. This is so delicious. I'm just saying it's delicious because I didn't eat it, but
we ate the batter though.
Yeah, we ate the batter, we tasted the icing. We know for a fact this is delicious. I just put a little bit of blueberries on there for decor, but Rami, I think you need to do a taste test for everyone on camera. And then if you guys want the recipe, I will have it on my Instagram. Here we go.
I'm pretty excited.
I can tell you're pretty excited. Did you get the icing?
Ready?
Uh-huh.
It's very good texture. It's a very moist cake.
It's gluten-free and it's vegan.
Very moist. Great flavor. If you like the lemon flavor, like, this is amazing.
Yeah, Rami loves.
Lemon is like my favorite thing. I think of all the things, I think lemon is my favorite thing.
So this is like one of your favorite things. What would you rate this?
I mean, it's really awesome. I would give it a 9.
Rami always gives everything. The highest he's ever given anything is a 9.
Gluten-free,
Let's show everybody the texture.
So I mean, it's the texture of a cake. It's just like a very moist cake.
There you go. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here so Rami and I can enjoy the rest of our Sunday, but I promise the vlogs are back now, and I'll see you guys very soon. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of videos you want to see from me, because honestly that will help me out so much. If you've seen this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.